For the dynamic adjustment, you need to use 3 key Allen, the 3, 6 and 10. Horizontal adjustment. First of all, you need to unscrew the central grain. Use K6. Rotate the block to increase and at the end you need to screw the grain. Vertical adjustment. Unscrew the grain. Key number 6. Rotate the key. At the end you need to screw the grain to block the adjustment. Pressure adjustment. Unscrew the grain. Key number 10. And rotate the block. Okay. At the end you need to screw the grain.